has made a historic apology for the Vatican's role in permitting the transatlantic slave trade. Past popes gave European nations the right to enslave non-Christians, and more than 12 million Black Africans were taken captive and brought to the Americas. Leo, the first US Pope, is descendant from both slaves and slave owners. His apology was made at the presentation of his first encyclical, Magnificat Humanitas.
Another stunning matter in the text is that Pope Leo issued an apology for the Catholic Church's own role in legitimizing global slavery, calling the Vatican's record a, quote, wound in Christian memory.